we're dealing with is an environment called the mouth, and we're all dealing with that. But it has so many influences that maybe you just got to, it's not that you don't know it, but maybe the team just needs to step back and really realize that acid reflux really does affect the oral cavity because of the acidic nature of it, and could be, for that patient, one of the root causes of why they're getting periodontal disease and new cavities. It's all about the bacteria and the pathogen that's living on the teeth or surrounding the teeth, and to realize that that is a portal for the bloodstream. And when you go back to look at the systemic links, it's that portal of bacterial entry that is creating the link between periodontal disease and heart disease, that the bacteria can, from the mouth around the teeth, go straight into the bloodstream and stay there and actually accumulate and cause the cardiovascular disease. And what science is starting to realize and teach is that how influential the actual bacteria is to creating heart attacks, strokes, brain aneurysms, etc. So think about it this way: you're influential in actually helping to save lives. This brings on a big responsibility, but it's fun and it's exciting, and you can really change and influence the lives of your patients. One of the methods that we have here in the US is a company called Oral DNA, but I do know across the world there are other businesses that can do the same technology or data gathering. This is the diagnostic test that has really, I think, influenced how we approach our non-surgical scaling or root planing aspects to our patients. We no longer feel like we can do them the best service and get the best results unless we know this type of diagnostic information. And just briefly, it to show you here, it identifies the exact bacteria of the causes for the inflammation and the clinical signs that we are seeing. And we're most interested from a cardiovascular disease standpoint on the high-risk pathogens, but moderate risk pathogens are very influential on periodontal disease and or its recurrence. And then the low-risk pathogens tends to be that type of pathogen that is going to really influence somebody with a ton of gingivitis, and you just can't ever seem to get them quite right. When you utilize this diagnostics and a very detailed therapy in order to attack that with systemic antibiotics, then you have a great process there to actually achieve optimal oral health. And that's what we're really going for here, optimal oral health on everybody. This can get complicated, and you do have to have a process and a system in place, and that's what we're going to be able to come to you with, is that process basically already being a proven process here in our office, and we're going to be able to teach it to you and to the entire team so it makes sense. And we all know that you're unique, and so there will be some small, changes for you in your office, but basically we're going to teach you the process of how we've done it successfully and increase the production and bottom line of the practice.